busy first full day for Pope Francis in Jakarta. He met with religious and political groups and issued a call for unity in the majority Muslim nation. EWTN Vatican journalist Benedicte Cedergren has more.
Dozens of children waving Vatican and Indonesian flags greeted the Pope as he arrived at the presidential palace in Jakarta this morning. It is day 2 of the Pope's apostolic visit to Indonesia. The President of the Republic, Joko Widodo, wearing a traditional Islamic hat, welcomed the Holy Father in his customary white robes. The two leaders standing next to one another provided a visual representation of the Pontiff's first speech to the country. In his address, he noted that harmony in diversity requires everyone to embrace a spirit of fraternity.
La pace è frutto della giustizia.
Harmony is achieved when we are committed not only to our own interests and vision, but to the good of all, to building bridges, fostering agreements and synergies, joining forces in order to defeat all forms of moral, economic, and social distress, and promoting peace and concord.
Pope Francis then held a customary encounter with his brother Jesuits serving in Indonesia at the Apostolic Nunciature. In the private meeting, he spoke about the importance of discernment and prayer, and he answered their questions. Later in the afternoon, the Holy Father delivered his second speech in the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Assumption. He heard testimonies from a priest, a religious sister, and 2 catechists before reflecting on the motto of his visit: faith, fraternity, and compassion.
I think these are 3 virtues that express well both your journey as a church and your character as a people who are ethnically and culturally diverse. But at the same time, you are characterized by an innate striving for unity and peaceful coexistence.
During the last stop of the day, Pope Francis visited the youth community of Escolas Occurrentes at the capital's Grape Muda Youth House. The global educational project started in 2001 under the Pope's leadership, while he was still the Archbishop of Buenos Aires. The project focuses on engaging youth from various islands, schools, and religions in education, art, and sports. In Rome, Benedicte Cedergren, EWTN News Nightly.